Hey YouTubers, so I wanted to show you, this is my solar array, the monitoring package that I have with my Schneider electric equipment. It's through a Combox which combines all the modules together for communication over my network. And as you can see, I'm pulling 1700 watts from the grid. The solar's making 4,000 watts, roughly between 3,500 and 5,000 on a good day. And you'll also see that the batteries are floating or charging at 47.3. The max that I have it going up to is 49.1. And then for the loads, it shows 22 watts, but it's actually fake. There is actually there's no loads on this no loads going that way on the modules at the moment. You'll see it clicking here on the solar shows how much solar it's made so far as of the video, how much power is going into the batteries. Here's the daily of the actual solar array. Here's how much charge has gone back into the batteries. And then I'll break it down here when I click on devices. Is that it shows you the grid power, the PV power from 4 panels, and then the PV power from the 16 or 17 panels that are on my roof. Just thought I'd give you guys a quick update. Have a good one.